Hello friends, today's topic delete a node in binary search. This is a binary search tree and binary search tree quality is left value is less value and right value is greater than root value. It condition apply for all nodes. This is my binary tree and we delete the first node of the binary tree. We already discussed the how to create binary search tree and we give the link of previous video in description box and we give the link of this program in description box. We start this program from this point integer delete number and we already discuss new node how to create binary search tree and we discuss minimum value node today and we discuss delete node and we discuss already in order function and we already discussed the insert function and today I discuss min value node min value node function and delete node function. Let's start. We want to delete the number 9, then delete number is integer type. Enter the node of to be deleted. Delete number. We enter the value delete number is 9 and delete node root delete node. The value of root is this is a root and delete number is value is 9. We call the delete node function. This is a delete node function and this is a min value node function. We call the delete node function. Struct node root. This is a root and the value is insert in root. Integer data. Data value is 9 and root equal to null. Condition is false. Because root value is not null, then if data less than root data, data value is 9 and root point the data part value is 9. Condition is false, else part execute. Data greater root data value is 9 and root data value is 9. Data greater than root data, condition is false, then root left equal to null. Root left root point the left part value is 400. Condition is false and execute else part. Root right value is 600 equal to null. Condition is false, then struct node. Execute this line. Struct node temp min value node root right. Now we call the min value function and value is written. Min value node is insert in temp. This is a temp root data. We call the min value node function. Root right value is 600. Root point the this node, and this link is removed, and root point the right part. We call the min value function. This is a min value function, and struct node. Node is created, and node value is 600. Means node point the this blocks. Now node value is 600, and the node value is insert in current. No, now 600 is insert in current. And execute loop, while loop. Current left not equal to null. The current point the this node, and the left value is null. Condition is false, because current left not equal to null. Condition is false. Then terminate this loop and return the current value. Current value is 600. Now 600 min value node is value is 600. 600 is insert in temp. Now temp value is 600, and root data value is 9, and temp on the this node, and temp data value is 14. Means that temp data value is insert in root data. Now 14 is insert in root. Here 9 is removed, and here 14 is insert, and root right. This is a root right, and delete node root right temp data. Root right value is 600, and temp data value is 14. Now temp data is 14, and now and the value of delete node is insert in root right here. Now this this line, this number is removed, because now we insert here new value. So we remove this value and call the delete node function. This is a delete node function, and root right value is 600, and data value is 14. Root right value is 600, and data value is 14. Now root left, the root left is this. Sorry, root data less than root data. Data value is 14. Data value is 9, and root data value is 14. 9 is data value is data value is 14 because temp data value is here is see here temp data value is 14. Now 14 is insert 14 is insert in data part and root value is 600. Now data less than root data value is 14 and root data value is 14. Root pointer this node. Now the value is this 14 and the data value is 14. Condition is false. Then execute this loop, this line. Data value is 14 and root data value is 14. 14 greater than 14. Condition is false. Then execute this line. Root left equal to null. Root left value is null. Condition is true. Then execute this line. Temp equal to root right. Temp, the value of root right is 600. Root right value is 600 and root right value is 700. Root on the right part. This is right part and 700 is insert in temp. B insert the 700 in temp. Here free root. This node is free and temp point the this node and this node is free and here now return temp. The value of temp is insert here. The value of temp, the value of delete node is insert here. The 700 is insert in root right. Root right this. Here 700 is insert here. Now this node is point the this node. Now now 9 value is delete from this node and we execute this program. We insert the value here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 nodes. We insert the value of node is 6. We enter the value of first node is 9 and second 7 and 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 3 and 8, 7 and 14 and 17 and 17. Now this is a binary search tree. We enter the value, first node is 3. Now 3 node is deleted from this link list and we execute this program again. We enter the value 6 nodes and first node value is 9, 7, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 14 and 17. Now 6 value is insert in this binary search tree and b delete the value is 9. Now 9 is deleted from this node. Thank you so much.